Hi, I'm Dimity from Studymove, and welcome to our overview about our database of undergraduate entry requirements for international students at all universities in Australia. This powerful tool consolidates all the undergraduate entry requirements for international students into one dynamic and user-friendly platform. Benchmarking entry requirements is crucial for Australian universities striving to excel globally and sustain growth in the competitive international education sector. Our undergraduate entry requirement analysis includes major qualifications from 11 source countries, including China, Malaysia, Hong Kong, South Korea, India, Vietnam, Singapore, the IB, Nepal, Indonesia, and Sri Lanka. Our database is a valuable resource for university policymakers, admissions directors and managers who need to benchmark their university's requirements against others in Australia, student recruitment staff who can compare their university's requirements against competitors, even on the go and while talking to prospective students. This database supports strategic planning and policy development, ensuring universities can adapt to changing demographics and educational trends while effectively supporting international students' academic success and satisfaction. Explore our comprehensive database today and see how it can enhance your university's global competitiveness. Our updated analysis of undergraduate academic entry requirements for international students will provide admissions and marketing team the opportunity to compare entry requirements across all Australian universities. Please visit www.studymove.com or email us at info@studymove.com.